Some seeds can take longer than others to process. Usually grasses are very fiddly, you just have to pick bit by bit off. What we try to do is go for the most effective method.
Great, and this is the one end Was there anything today that you're interested in?
I thought like the British history.
Down. We can see like the top of his really pocket.
Okay. You can still hear the helicopter?
Yeah. Him. He's definitely the clearest.
Okay, let's go for it. Okay? So.
Am I supposed to count that?
Yeah, no, I'm going to count you in, but you can look like you're ready. 3, 2, 1.
So, what have you done today?
Okay, manageable?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, let's go for it. 3, 2, 1.
3, 2 collection is done. I just can't read it. It's all like hand.
This direction.
Does someone want to hold that?
Yeah, bring it over.
My favorite part was definitely getting to see the libraries, which is only for members, and we also got some color photographs for photos.
Yeah.
Keep going, I guess on a big screen.
We could move it just a teensy
Okay, anyway.
bit to that side.
The important
They're
thing is
keeping dormant, which is really cool. We've had a look at how the catalogues for seeds have changed over time.
That lady was saying to Rimba that we should go.
I definitely want that. You guys on half 10?
No, are you? Yeah.
The development of photographical color images in catalogs. One
Really
of those
good.
teleprompters.
This also shows the increase of globalization in the past centuries and how the Earth has very rapidly become more connected than ever, and it's become far easier to have wealth.
Just try and do it all